Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your inventory management with ShipStation step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for a ShipStation account at ShipStation.com. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings tab located in the main menu. Under Account Settings, select Integrations to connect your e-commerce platforms. Choose your selling channels, such as Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, and follow the prompts to complete the integration. After integration, navigate to the Shipping tab. Here, you can set up your carriers for easy shipping label creation. Click on Carrier and Fulfillment to add your chosen shipping providers. Next, go to the Products tab to upload your inventory. You can import products manually or via a CSV file for larger inventories. Ensure that each product is matched with the correct SKU and descriptions. Once your inventory is set, configure your shipping settings in the Shipping section. Adjust your shipping rules and rates to align with your business model. Set up package types and weights for accurate shipping calculations. Explore the Automation Rules feature to streamline your processes. Create automation for order status updates and label generation to save time. Next, visit the Reports tab to monitor your inventory movements. Utilize the analytics provided to identify trends and optimize stock levels. Set notifications for low inventory to avoid stockouts. As orders come in, use the dashboard to manage and fulfill them efficiently. Track your shipments in real time through the Order section. Regularly check your shipping performance reports to refine your strategy. Lastly, keep updating your inventory based on market demand and sales data. This approach will ensure your inventory management stays scalable and efficient with ShipStation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.